Hello everyone, a very fresh good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? So students, this is our 6th video lecture of EVS, chapter number 6, the green plants, right? So students, we already completed the explanation part of this chapter. So today we are going to exercises part of this chapter, right? Explanation part of this chapter is over. So we'll start the exercises of this chapter. Fine. So let's start. Question 1, objective type questions. Question A, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Question 1, most plants on earth are dash. Most plants on the earth are dash. Green or non-green? Most plants on the earth are green. Yes. Most plants on the earth are green. Question number 2, the dash let air flow in and out of the leaf. Veins or stomata? Yes, stomata. The stomata let air flow in and out of the leaf. Stomata जो होता है वो एयर के फ्लो को लीफ के अंदर और प्लांट के बाहर जाने में हेल्प करता है, राइट? द स्टोमेटा लेट एयर फ्लो इन एंड आउट ऑफ द लीफ. Question number 3, green plants make their own food with the help of dash in the leaves. Green plants make their own food with the help of dash in the leaves. Stomata or chlorophyll? So the answer is chlorophyll, right? Green plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll in the leaves. See, chlorophyll helps the leaves to absorb sunlight, right? Chlorophyll helps the leaves to absorb sunlight, and for that green plants make their own food. So the green plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll in the leaves. Then question number 4, the dash takes the prepared food from the leaves to the other parts of plant. Stem or root? Who takes the prepared food from the leaves to the other parts of a plant? Yes, it is stem. स्टेम जो है वो प्रिपेयर फूड को लीव्स से लेकर प्लांट के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स तक पहुंचाती है. द स्टेम टेक्स द प्रिपेयर फूड फ्रॉम द लीव्स टू अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, extra food prepared by the leaves is stored as dash in the different parts of the plant. Iodine or starch? Extra food prepared by the leaves is stored as starch in the different parts of the plants. जो extra food जो है, right, जो plants food बनाती है उसमें से जो extra food है is stored as starch in the different parts of the plant. Okay. Then question number B, match the following. Now in this question they given us two column A and column B. Under the column A there are veins, photosynthesis, stomata, glucose and starch. And under the column B they given us stored food, second transport within the leaf, third one is prepared food, fourth one process of preparing food, and fifth E, taking in and giving out air. So we have to match them. So look at the first one, veins. So veins store the food? No. Veins transport the within the leaf. Veins prepare the food, veins process of preparing food, or veins taking in or giving out air. So veins transport within the leaf, right? Veins transport within the leaf. So match A with the B. Veins helps to transport within the leaf. Veins जो है वो substances को ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में डिफरेंट पार्ट्स तक पहुंचाने में लीफ की हेल्प करता है. So veins helps to transport within the leaf. Then the second one is photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is what? Stored food, prepared food, process of preparing food or taking in and giving out air. So photosynthesis is process of preparing food. Photosynthesis is what? Process of preparing food. So match the photosynthesis with D, process of preparing food. Then question number 3, stomata. Now what is the work of stomata? Is store the food? No. It prepares the food? No. So it taking air and giving out air? Yes. Through the stomata, leaf can taking in and giving out air. So match the stomata with the taking in and giving out air. Then fourth question, glucose. Now glucose is what? Stored food or prepared food? Yes, glucose is prepared food. So match the fourth glucose with the C, prepared food. जो प्लांट्स जो है वो अपना फूड खुद बनाती है, राइट? सो जो भी वो फूड बनाती है थ्रू दी फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस, दैट प्रिपेयर्ड फूड इज कॉल्ड ग्लूकोज. द प्रिपेयर्ड फूड ऑफ द प्लांट आर कॉल्ड ग्लूकोज. तो मैच द ग्लूकोज विद द प्रिपेयर्ड फूड. एंड द लास्ट वन इज स्टार्च. तो स्टार्च इज स्टोर्ड फूड, राइट? जो एक्स्ट्रा फूड होता है स्टोर्ड एज अ स्टार्च. So match the starch with stored food. Okay, see students, when in the prepared food of a plant, some of food uses for the daily activity of plant and some extra food stored as the starch in the different parts of the plant. So starch is the stored food, right? Veins, it helps in the transport within the leaf. Photosynthesis is the process of preparing food. Stomata taking in and giving out air. Glucose is prepared food and starch is stored food. Okay. Now question number C. Choose the correct option. In that question 1. Which of these helps to transport substance? Question number C. Choose the correct option. In that question number 1. Which of these helps to transport substances within the leaf? Which of these help to transport substances within the leaf? The answer is D, veins. So veins of a leaf help to transport substances within the leaf. Veins जो है लीफ का जो पार्ट होता है veins, right? तो veins जो है वो substances transport करने में help करते हैं. They transport the substances like water, the nutrients, the minerals, right? So they transport the substances within the leaf. Now question number 2. Which of these help to absorb water and minerals for the plants? Which of these helps to absorb water and minerals for the plants? So yes, answer is A, roots. Roots helps to absorb water and minerals for the plants. Question number 3. Which part of the leaf remove water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis? Which part of the leaf removes water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis? Options are A, leaf blade, B, main veins, C, stomata, and D, side vein. Which part of a leaf removes water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis? इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा पार्ट है जो वाटर वेपर एंड ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव करता है आफ्टर द फोटोसिंथेसिस? सो इट इज सी, स्टोमेटा. Stomata of the leaf remove water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis, right? Stomata in the leaf helps to air out and air in, right? एयर को लेने में और बाहर निकालने में कौन हेल्प करता है? स्टोमेटा. Then question number 4. Which of these will not be needed by leaves for making food? Which of these will not be needed by leaves for making food? Options are A, carbon dioxide, B, water, C, sunlight, and D, none of this. So इनमें से कौन सा एक ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो लीव्स को जो नहीं चाहिए फॉर मेकिंग फूड? लीव्स मेकिंग देयर ओन फूड, राइट? सो विच ऑप्शन इज नॉट नीडेड बाय दी लीव्स फॉर मेकिंग फूड? Carbon dioxide needed, water is also needed, C, sunlight. So sunlight is not also needed by the leaves for making food, right? So the answer should be D, none of this. Now next page. Question number 5. Which of this is not true about photosynthesis? Which of this is not true about photosynthesis? Options are A. Food prepared is in the form of sugar. Food prepared is in the form of sugar. Option B. Food prepared it is in the form of starch. Food prepared is in the form of starch. C. Carbon dioxide, water and light are raw materials. Carbon dioxide, water and light are raw materials. D. Chlorophyll is needed to absorb light. Chlorophyll is needed to absorb light. So which of this is not true about photosynthesis? Question number 5. Which of this is not true about the photosynthesis? Which of this is not true about photosynthesis? And your options are A. Food prepared is in the form of sugar. B. Food prepared is in the form of starch. C. Carbon dioxide, water and light are raw materials. And D. Chlorophyll is needed to absorb light. Which of this is not true about photosynthesis? And the answer is food prepared is in the form of starch, because whatever the food made by the plants, they are their food prepared, it is in the form of sugar, right? Is stored as a form of sugar. जो भी food prepared होता है वो as a sugar में convert होता है, right? As a sugar में prepared होता है. For example, glucose. That food prepared by following the process of photosynthesis, it is called glucose, right? So glucose is a sugar. So food prepared, it is in the form of sugar. Then question number 6. Which of this shows the presence of starch? Which of this shows the presence of starch? And your options are A. Iodine turns reddish brown. B. Starch turns to glucose. C. Iodine solution turns bluish black. And D. Leaves turn green. Yes, so the answer is C. Iodine solution turns bluish black. Which of these shows that the presence of starch? अगर हमें कोई भी चीज़ में ये टेस्ट करना है that starch is the present in the thing is or not, right? So what shows it? When the iodine solution turns bluish black, right? Iodine solution जो है जब उसके ऊपर few drops हम डालते हैं, that turns into bluish black color, right? So the answer is C. Iodine solution turns bluish black. That means the presence of starch. Question number 7. Which of these are the main producers of food? Which of these are the main producers of food? Options are A. Green plants, B. Animals, C. Sun, and D. None of this. Which of these are the main producers of food? It is A. Green plants, right? Green plants are the main producers of food. And also in the food chain, the beginning of a food chain is also from the plants, right? So green plants are the main producers of food. Then the question number 8. Which of these shows interdependence of animals and plants? Which of these shows dependence of animals on plants? Options are A. Plants gives off oxygen that animals use for breathing. B. Animals make food for plants. C. Animals depends on green plants for food. And D. Both A and C. Which of this shows dependence of animals on plants? तो एनिमल्स प्लांट्स के ऊपर कैसे डिपेंड करते हैं? कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है? प्लांट्स गिव्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन दैट एनिमल यूज फॉर ब्रीथिंग. यस. एनिमल्स मेक फूड फॉर द प्लांट्स. नो. एनिमल्स डिपेंड्स ऑन ग्रीन प्लांट्स फॉर फूड. यस. So the answer is both A and C is correct. This shows the dependence of animals on plant. Then very short answer type questions. In that, question number 1. The green substance present in leaves. The green substance present in leaves are called what? So the green substance present in leaves are called chlorophyll. Right? Chlorophyll present in the leaves. That is why leaves are appears green to us. Then question number 2. The flat surface of the leaves. The flat surface of the leaves are called leaf blade. Leaf blade is a part of a leaf, right? So the flat surface of the leaf are called leaf blade. Question number 3. The process by which green leaves prepare their own food. The process by which green leaves prepare their own food. एक ऐसी प्रोसेस जहाँ पे ग्रीन लीव्स अपना फूड खुद बनाते हैं. That process is called what? It is called photosynthesis. The process by which green leaves prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. Okay. Then question number 4. The food prepared by the process of photosynthesis. The food prepared by the process of photosynthesis, it is called glucose. So by following the photosynthesis process, the food that was prepared by the leaves are called glucose. The food prepared by the process of photosynthesis is called glucose. Then question number 5. A chain that shows a series of organisms where each member depends on the lower member in the series for food. एक ऐसी चेन जो जिसमें ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो है ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो मेंबर्स है राइट दे आर डिपेंड्स ऑन द लोअर मेंबर दे डिपेंड्स ऑन द लोअर मेंबर फॉर द फूड इन द सीरीज इट इज कॉल्ड फूड चेन अ चेन दैट शोज अ सीरीज ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म वेयर each member depends on the lower member in the series for food. It is called food chain. Then comes the question answers that will we do in our next video lecture, right? So skip it for now. Now turn the page. Let's recall. Recall and complete the concept map given below. Recall and complete the concept map given below. Leaf. Now we have to write down the parts of leaves and functions of leaves. Parts of leaves and functions of leaves. So what are the parts of leaves? Main vein, side veins and leaflet. So parts of leaf are main vein, side veins and leaflet. And what are the functions of leaf? Make food and let air in and out. So what are the functions of leaf? Make food and lets air in and out. तो लीफ जो है वो क्या फंक्शन करती है? What is the work of leaf? Make food, right? Leaf prepare the food for the plants and lets air in and out, right? Stomata that present in the leaf that allows air in and out. So these two are the functions of leaves. And what are the parts of leaves? Main vein, side veins and leaflet. Okay. Then the next, let's observe. Which of the following pictures shows that the process of photosynthesis correctly? Put a tick mark on the correct picture. So students, here they give us two pictures, right? So we have to recognize the correct process of photosynthesis. Okay, fine. In the first picture, they take in carbon dioxide while photosynthesis process and give out oxygen, right? Now they absorb water from soil and they need a sunlight. Okay, and in the second picture they gives us carbon dioxide and take in oxygen. In the photosynthesis process, during the photosynthesis process they gives us carbon dioxide and take in oxygen and water into the soil, and also they take the sunlight from the sun, right, that absorbed by the chlorophyll. So tell me students, which one is correct? Which one is the true photosynthesis process? Come on, think. Show the two pictures very carefully. इनमें से कौन सी करेक्ट है? फर्स्ट पिक्चर में जो फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस में वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अपने अंदर लेता है और ऑक्सीजन बाहर निकालता है. और सेकंड पिक्चर में क्या दिया है? व्हाइल द फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस दे गिव्स आउट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड टेक इन ऑक्सीजन. So students, here the first picture is correct, right? While this during the photosynthesis process, the plant take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, right? फोटोसिंथेसिस के जब प्रोसेस होती है तो प्लांट जो है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अपने अंदर लेती है और ऑक्सीजन बाहर निकालते हैं, एंड इट विल ऑल्सो टेक द वाटर फ्रॉम द सोइल. सो द फर्स्ट पिक्चर इट इज़ करेक्ट, इट शोज द करेक्ट प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. ओके. Then question B. Look at the picture and answer the questions. First question: in what form does the potato plant stores in the extra food? Vitamins or starch? In what form does the potato plant store its extra food? Potato plants जो है वो अपना extra food किस में store करते हैं? As starch or vitamins? Answer is starch, right? Potato plants store its extra food as starch. Now question number 2. If you put a few drops of iodine on a cut potato, what would you observe? If you put a few drops of iodine on a cut potato, what would you observe? We can observe that iodine turns bluish black. अगर हम पोटैटो को कट करके कुछ फ्यू ड्रॉप्स जो है वो हम पोटैटो के ऊपर डालते हैं ऑफ द आयोडीन, देन व्हाट वी विल ऑब्जर्व, तो क्या होगा? सो वी कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट द आयोडीन टर्न्स ब्लूइश ब्लैक, राइट? द आयोडीन विल बी टर्न्स इनटू ब्लूइश ब्लैक. व्हाई? बिकॉज पोटैटो contains starch in it. When is there any starch, then iodine turns bluish black. Okay. So students, here our chapter is over. The question answers remaining that we will do in our next video lecture, and your homework for a day is you have to complete all this exercise in the textbook. Fine. Now if you have any query or any question regarding this, any exercises or any question, so you can contact me. Yeah. Okay students, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. And also complete all this activity, all this exercise in your textbook. I will also send you the PDF regarding this, right? But first try to solve it by yourself and then write it down. Okay. Sure. Thank you everyone.